As Northeast saw its first case on Tuesday after 23-year-old women from Manipur tested positive for novel coronavirus. Now the people in Karbi Anglong broke out in their own sweat as in panic situation. As India is undergoing complete lockdown for 21 days to combat the spread of coronavirus pandemic, Difu market and an entire district remain shut down here on Thursday. Less vehicles are being seen in the region and not even a single shop is reported to have been functions in the headquarters of Karbi Anglong. Whereas the total number of COVID-19 patients in the country crossed 600 marks on Wednesday as death toll climbed to 14. Meanwhile, World Health Organization on Wednesday said that the lockdown will not be enough to eradicate the coronavirus pandemic from the world. The World Health Organization says just asking people to stay at home and shutting down is reducing the pressure of the health systems. Difu Municipal Board along with Difu Bazaar Committee sprayed disinfectant the Difu market area here on Thursday. This was done to clean and sensitize the street, footpath, roads leading to shops and dustbins, railing etc. as preventive measures to contain coronavirus in the town. Meanwhile, as the entire health department is active to combat in case of suspected detected in the district. Surveillance team have been rigorously working to sensitize the people and screen those who recently returned to the district from the other states or have travelled history from other countries. The chairman of Difu Town Committee, Mr. Rakro, has also urged the people to stay at home.
Ajir pra arambho kori utei iman khini aji safa korar pisotu jodi korbat thaki jay tale kalio korim teneke gotei hafta mojuri ami ulop koribole ulaisu aru ami hokulu rajoko এইটোৱে ৰিকুৱেষ্ট অনুৰোধ কৰিব বিচাৰিছোঁ যে যাতে নিজৰ ওচৰ পাজৰ গাঁও বা ঘৰটো যাতে চাফ চিকুণ ৰাখে তাৰ বাবে আমি সকলোকে অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ।
As lockdown underway in the entire country to combat the pandemic COVID-19, Karbis working in Karnataka are in critical conditions now. On account of shut down all the malls, multiplex and private companies, Karbis walking outskirts of Karbi Anglong are facing basic crisis now. Many of the people are seen expressing their inconveniences through the social media, stating that they have been confronting a huge concern in managing to survive for their own there. Numerous number of Karbis are reportedly seen in social media asking financial assistance from Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council.
Ladak Pridhe Along Kachatangdung Coronavirus Penajok Nilitum Kachongdatu na company Inkir Cheklo Lasu Penajok Nilitum Ladak Penangan Akisung Dulu.
Meanwhile, earlier the chief executive member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Mr. Tuliram Ronghang, extended financial aid of rupees 5 lakh for students studying in Bangalore. He also urged the people to assist the government tackling the deadly virus that has been affecting across the world by staying safe at home. Now we have to wait and watch at what extent the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council could please these people and got out of them from the lack of inconveniences faced by these people. That's a wrap of this edition at the Mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. And if you have more news and you want to share more about this coronavirus, then you can send your views on cartnews2016@gmail.com. That's the end of this news. So thank you so much for watching.